Nestled in the countryside of Utriai, Lithuania, this 206-square-meter project by Architectural Bureau G.Natkevicius and Partners reinterprets the traditional farm barn for modern living. From the outside, it retains the simple appearance of a metal-clad storage building, but inside it combines agricultural use with flexible living spaces. By bringing work and hospitality together under one roof, the design creates a building that is both practical and comfortable. Inside, the layout is clearly divided between function and everyday use. One side features a spacious storage area with large sectional doors for farm machinery, while the other includes a separate entrance, service spaces, and a mezzanine that can serve as a workshop, creative studio, or guest retreat. This flexible arrangement allows the building to adapt to different needs while maintaining an efficient floor plan. The interior pairs exposed glued laminated timber with polished concrete, creating a balance between warmth and industrial durability. Large timber frames give the space rhythm and character, while carefully placed openings maximize natural light. A west-facing window captures views of the surrounding landscape, and a skylight extending into a north-facing vertical window brightens the mezzanine throughout the day. The barn's wedge-shaped form is wrapped in stainless steel-colored sandwich panels, giving it a durable and understated exterior. A 35-degree mono-pitch roof defines its silhouette while preparing the building for future solar panels. The result is a contemporary rural barn that seamlessly combines storage, flexible living, and sustainable design within a single architectural form.